Once upon a time, there lived a king and queen. Although the king was very wealthy in land and money, he was deeply saddened when he lost his wife. He could not be comforted and looked at himself in his room. He stopped eating and began hitting his head against the walls. His people tried to console him, but it did not work.
Your Majesty, we are so worried about you. You haven't eaten for 8 days.
Fearing that the king would hurt himself, his room was padded with mattresses and tapestries along the walls. One day, a woman named Saraphina came to meet the king.
Your Majesty, please allow us to help you through this difficult time.
What is it, man? Please stop crying.
My name is Saraphina. I also lost my husband a month ago. I feel your pain. When I see your mirror, your grief is also mine. I have not come to ease your sorrow, but to share in it. To love and miss those we cherish is a way of honoring them.
Saraphina magic. The king fell instantly in love with Saraphina to spell pain into her eyes. The king, struck by Saraphina's words, found an odd solace in their shared grief. They exchanged stories of their lost love. In their despair, they decided to marry. Now, at the hastily arranged royal wedding, Princess Florine, the king's daughter, who is beautiful and kind, was present. However, Saraphina had own daughter, Veruca, who was raised by a fairy named Morana. Although Veruca did not have conventional beauty, Saraphina began planning her daughter's future.
My dear husband, our daughter are grown. Isn't it time they find suitable partners?
My love, aren't you rushing into discussion?
And the first prince would like to his bride.
Preparation for the green event began. Veruca was prepared with beautiful dresses and jewelry, while all of Florine's belongings were taken away. Florine could only watch sadly, but remained kind-hearted.
Princess Florine, the queen has ordered me to take off the dresses and jewelry.
Why? This is for Veruca?
I understand. Please take good care of these items, sir.
There, darling, you look absolutely radiant. Those jewels were simply made for you. Thank you, Mom. Prince Charming will fall head over heels. Meanwhile, in the afternoon, the handsome prince arrived with a flaming carriage drawn by winged frogs. Everyone was awestruck by his presence. However, behind the beauty and splendor of the eagle, Veruca and Saraphina had a cunning plan to separate Florine and the prince.
You must be the princess. A pleasure to meet you.
Yeah. Oh, Prince, Veruca is the only worthy of attention. She shines like a star. You agree?
Is there any princess in this kingdom? I've heard Princess Florine.
Yes, but she's hiding because her dress isn't fancy.
Princess, your beauty is handsome and pretty.
Your Majesty, I will have prefer you not ask me because, you know, my taste isn't fancy. This is rich class. Florine needs no more flattery.
How understanding matters, isn't it, please? But may I talk to you?
Of course, Your Majesty.
The prince, intrigued by Florine's natural beauty, pleaded to elope with her. However, Saraphina and Veruca know of his plan. They tricked the prince by replacing Florine with Veruca on the night of their elopement.
Florine, are you there? I've come to wait.
Yes, Your Majesty. I'm sorry. I have a godmother, very word. I wish I visit her.
When they reached Morana's castle,
A young man walked through the forest with his quiver and hunting knife.
greetings on Florine. Does it do me, my dear?
What sorcery is this?
Charming, fulfill your promise. Marry Princess Veruca. If you not marry her, you will pay the price.
Huh?
I'll turn you into a bird.
What?
With drug magic, Veruca crushed the prince to become a bluebird for 7 years. He flew away, despairing that he could not be with Florine. Every day, the bluebird visited the tower where Florine was imprisoned, and they talked about their lost love.
What? Why me? He betrayed me.
Is it truly you, my love?
Who are you, beautiful bird? I don't understand.
You already know, they tricked me and I ran away as soon as I realized it. Being a bluebird for 7 years is better than betraying you, Florine.
I miss you, my prince. My heart is so happy without you.
I will find a way to return to you, my love. Do not give
But
up.
you're so vulnerable as a bird. Predators look everywhere.
Don't worry, my love. We'll meet every
I
day.
wish you visit me every day.
Meanwhile, the witch from Prince Charming Kingdom, who knew of Morana evil magic, came to help Florine. She gave a clue that true love would break the curse.
Your love is more powerful than any magic or spell. Trust in your love for each other and hold on to hope. This strength will be ultimately prevail and restore what has been taken from you. Finally! It's been a long way!
Sorry, I'm back now. Will you be my wife and stay with me forever?
Yes, I will, my prince. I will always love you.
With their true love, the witch held the curse was finally broken. The prince returned to his human form and quickly rescued Florine from the tower. They married in grand celebration and lived happily ever after. While Saraphina and Veruca were punished for their evil deeds.
I was painting a picture. The picture was a painting of you, and for a moment I thought you were happy, but then again it wasn't true.
There will come a soldier who carries a mighty sword. He will tear your city down. Oh, lay your lie, oh Lord. Oh, lay your lie, oh, lay your lie.
Princess Florine. Gue kok Princess.
Sabar, coy.
Is his word. He will say you this time. Oh, lay your lie, oh Lord. Oh, lay your lie, oh, lay your Lord. He will say you this time. Oh, lay your lie.
Dato. Dato.
Hi kids, this is your mom. Apa aku nggak datang loh? Nggak semangat. Serius banget.
Puan, aku.
Jadi, this is Auntie Lia. Uncle Wahyu.
Yang warisin Mem, yang bisa warisin.
Auntie Jasmine banget. Banget.
Hai, it's a wrap. Oke, kita selesai. 2 hari ya?
Ya 2 hari. Kita 2 hari melawang.
Yes. Capek pasti capek. Ya, kita. Iya. Iya. Kayak Valdena, hafal semuanya pokoknya ya. Ini
Yang kali ini baik hati ya kayak kemarin.
Oke, dadah.
Bye bye.